Welcome to Quiz Rad. Get ready to test your knowledge with 60 thought-provoking questions about the Holy Quran. Let's dive into the wonders of the Quran. What is the first chapter, Surah, of the Quran? Answer B. Al-Fatiha. How many verses, ayat, are there in the Quran? Answer A. 6,236. What is the longest surah in the Quran? Answer A. Al-Baqarah. In which surah does the verse of the throne, Ayat al-Kursi, appear? Answer B. Al-Baqarah. Which surah is known as the heart of the Quran? Answer B. Yasin. What is the last surah in the Quran? Answer B. An-Nas. Which surah was revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, during his migration? Answer A. Al-Baqarah. Which surah contains the verse, "Indeed, with hardship comes ease"? Answer B. Ash-Shar. Which surah was revealed in the month of Ramadan? Answer B. Al-Alaq. Which surah speaks about the importance of seeking knowledge? Answer B. Al-Alaq. Which surah talks about the relationship between Allah and His servants? Answer A. Al-Baqarah. Which surah speaks about the creation of mankind? Answer B. At-Tin. Which surah speaks about the story of Prophet Adam? Answer A. Al-Araf. Which surah talks about the importance of prayer? Salah? Answer A. Al-Baqarah. Which surah is known as the women? Answer A. Al-Nisa. Which surah mentions the term jihad most? Answer C. Al-Ahzab. Which surah talks about the Battle of Badr? Answer A. Al-Imran. Which surah talks about the creation of the heavens and the earth? Answer C. Ar-Rahman. Which surah discusses the rights of women? Answer A. An-Nisa. Which surah speaks about the story of Prophet Noah? Answer C. Hud. Which surah contains the verse, "And we have certainly made the Quran easy to remember"? Answer A. Al-Qamar. Which surah mentions the reward of Jannah, paradise? Answer B. Al-Mulk. Which surah speaks about the story of Prophet Noah? Answer B. An-Nazi'at. Which surah mentions the name of Prophet Ibrahim, Abraham? Answer B. Ibrahim. Which surah talks about the Battle of Uhud? Answer A. Al-Imran. Which surah talks about Prophet Muhammad's PBUH journey to the heavens, Isra and Miraj? Answer B. Al-Isra. Which surah speaks about the destruction of past nations? Answer C. Al-Mulk. Which surah is named after the act of performing Hajj? Answer C. Al-Hajj. Which surah discusses the concept of Tawheed, oneness of Allah? Answer A. Al-Ikhlas. Which surah talks about the rights of orphans? Answer B. An-Nisa. Which surah discusses the importance of patience? Answer A. Al-Imran. Which surah speaks about the protection of the Quran from corruption? Answer C. Al-Hijr. Which surah emphasizes the importance of charity, zakat? Answer A. Al-Baqarah. Which surah talks about the power and mercy of Allah? Answer B. Ar-Rahman. Which surah contains the longest verse in the Quran? Ayat al-Dain. Answer A. Al-Baqarah. Which surah mentions the Prophet's migration? Hijrah. Answer A. Al-Baqarah. Which surah speaks about the signs of Allah in nature? Answer C. Ar-Rahman. Which surah discusses the hereafter? Answer A. Al-Araf. Which surah mentions Prophet Isa, Jesus? Answer A. Al-Ma'idah. Which surah talks about the importance of fasting during Ramadan? Answer A. Al-Baqarah. Which surah speaks about the story of Prophet Ibrahim and his son? Answer A. Ibrahim. Which surah discusses the concept of shirk, associating partners with Allah? Answer A. Al-Ikhlas. Which surah talks about the natural world and its creation? Answer C. Al-Baqarah. Which surah mentions the splitting of the moon? Answer A. Al-Qamar. Which surah contains the verse, "And remember the favor of Allah upon you"? Answer C. An-Nisa. Which surah talks about the story of the companions of the cave, Ashab al-Kahf? Answer A. Al-Kahf. Which surah speaks about the creation of the jinn? Answer B. Al-Jinn. Which surah talks about the Prophet's farewell sermon? Answer C. Al-Ma'idah. Which surah mentions the term deen, religion? Answer A. Al-Fatiha. Which surah contains the verse, "Indeed, we sent the Quran down during the night of decree"? Answer A. Al-Qadr. Which surah speaks about the destruction of nations that rejected their prophets? Answer A. Al-Araf. Which surah talks about the creation of life and death as a test? Answer B. Al-Mulk. Which surah discusses the resurrection and the Day of Judgment? Answer C. Al-Qiyamah. Which surah speaks about the prophets Musa, Moses, and Harun, Aaron? Answer B. Al-Araf. Which surah talks about the people of Ad and Thamud? Answer C. Al-Araf. Which surah mentions the story of Prophet Yusuf, Joseph? Answer B. Yusuf. Which surah speaks about the concept of taqwa, piety? Answer A. Al-Baqarah. Which surah discusses the creation of the universe? Answer B. Ar-Rahman. Which surah mentions the splitting of the earth and sky on the Day of Judgment? Answer B. Al-Inshiqaq. Which surah speaks about the blessings of rain? Answer C. Al-Araf. That's it for today's Quran Trivia on QuizRad. How did you do? Share your score in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quizzes that expand your knowledge and